So guys, before to continue the full video, so I will provide you and present you one of the biggest and the best platform, crypto platform. As you can see, this is the platform. It's called BingX. It's one of the biggest and the best platform, crypto platform. As you can see, BingX it's the sponsor for Chelsea football club, English club. As you can see, so with this platform, you can use it easily, and you can earn a lot. So the platform, it's so easy to use it. If you want to open an account, it's very simple. All you want to do is go into sign up here. So you can go to sign up. You can register your account. It's very simple. You can use your email or your phone number, or you can use a Google account or Apple account. So you can use it very simple.
So now we have to see the market for platform beings. Here is market. They have money cryptocurrencies in this platform beings. Is the best is Bitcoin. I want to say Bitcoin now. So Bitcoin now is price has now reached 89,000 dollars. Is good price now for buy or something like this. And have here chart. If you want to do here in chart, you have a chart. You have a lot of coins here. If you want to buy Bitcoin or any coin, you have in platform Bix is good.
By the way, the platform, it's present and provide you a lot of options and opportunities to earn from this platform, as you can see. So you can buy the crypto. Here is a quick buy with your cards, Visa card, MasterCard. P2P, you can P2P trading. So you can multiple payment methods such as bank transfer are supported. So also you can use fiat deposit. As you can see, deposit via bank transfer or online payments. So the platform, it's very easy to use it, and I like it very much. So it's provide you a lot of facilities to use it. So here we can, for example, we can use the copy trading, the most and the best thing that I found in this platform. So we can go to copy trading here. So with copy trading, you can copy trader, and you can see a lot of traders. You can choose your best trader, and then you can copy trading and earn from it. It's very simple. As you can see here, you can find a lot of traders. You can choose the best one. So you can filter from here. For example, the best one was like the great ROI, as you can see here. For example, this trader. So you can check all of them if you want, and you can choose the right one to earn a lot. For example, if you want someone, you can just click here. So copy from here, and you can just copy trading without doing anything, guys. So it's very simple to do and to earn from all copy trading. It's very simple. So we can just choose here, for example, the best one, and you can use. For example, this one has more than 1000% in last month. As you can see, if you wanted to choose it, you can choose from here, copy. So after you register and everything, you can just copy here. So you will find a lot of all traders. Also, you can find like the AI copy trading. You can use copy trading using AI, as you can see. So here, Bink's real time AI bottle copy to win. It's very simple. Here you will find the position, here the total account value. So you can check here, and here you can check the orders and everything about the AI bottle. So you can use it. It's very simple, and I very like it. So they used AI in copy trading too, and that is very helpful for us. So something else, it's like the biggest Bink's Academy. So we can join the academy. Here you can find a lot of videos that helps you to earn and to understand all the platform, how it's work and everything. So here you can find some features. You can check the last news. Here you can find some beginners guides for the beginners. So for example, what's being required by an easy way to DCA into Bitcoin and crypto. So here you can find everything. So for example, if you want something, you will find in here like last post they post about the news about what's happening in the real life. So here for the meme coins, a lot for web trading and a lot. For example, we can see this video is for example this basics. We can they give you some basics here. Also you can find a lot of videos, for example here. So we can for example this video, if we can check here, so we can find a lot of videos. So we can check the videos and we can understand everything about it. So you will find a lot of videos that help you to use Bings, and you can use it and understand about cryptocurrencies and how to use the platform. So there's a lot of opportunities here. So you can just check here article for Web3 for trading or cryptocurrency, for example the cryptocurrency, and we can find a lot of articles here and all posters. As you can see, you can filter from here like meme coins, stable coins, exchange trading fans, and a lot about the platform. So guys, if you want to use Binks, you will find the link under the video in the description. So you can use the link and go direct to the platform. You can just register and start your journey in this amazing